Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix games not launching on Windows 11 PC. First, restart your PC once. This clears stuck game services, launchers, and driver locks from previous crashes. Next, check Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then Protection History. Restore anything related to your game or launcher. Go to Manage Settings, open Exclusions, and add the Game folder and the Launcher folder. Now update your graphics driver from the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website. Do not use Windows Update. Choose a clean installation if available. After that, reset the game launcher. For Steam, open Settings, go to Downloads, clear the download cache, and restart Steam. In Steam, go to your library. Right-click the game that is not launching and select Properties. In the General tab, find the option called Enable the Steam Overlay while in game and turn it off. Close the Properties window to save the change. This disables the overlay only for that game, which helps prevent launch crashes caused by overlay conflicts on Windows 11. Verify game files. Go to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let it finish. After that, disable overlays and background tools. Open Discord. Click the gear icon to open User Settings. Go to Game Overlay and turn off Enable in Game Overlay. After that, open the NVIDIA app and go to Settings. Disable NVIDIA Overlay in the Settings menu. These steps fix most games not launching on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.